Columbus here. Welcome to the shop. Got another HackerBox. ENCode 0058. Let's see what we've got. A little smaller box this time around. Yeah, always some jumpers. What we got here? What is this? Oh, I see a screwdriver. That's kind of nice. Is it open? Yes. That's pretty cool. I like it. Just a little chuck you can tighten. That's cool. I like it. It's kind of greasy, kind of oily. Get back in there. All right. What else we got besides jumpers and a screwdriver? That looks like a camera. I can't really tell. Sure looks like it. There's a little LED. I'm not sure what that is. It's a lens of some sort. Oh well, let's see what we've got in here. Oh, okay, LCD. Cool. 1.8, 128 by 160 RGB. Nice. Well, there's the little, okay, for the camera, I'm assuming that's what that is. That's breakout board for the cable. Pro Micro. Sucker's so tiny. And a couple stickers. Awesome. Oh, check it out. We're getting 3. Nice. Is that it? That's it. Alright, I think that's it. See you next time.